Kikubor kibabniha. Myntri gejala konrad ki sangma Ïalam khmat ha kaban penlong ya gejing ngapjar kaba arminat na kabenta ki khana rid ki baladu yala ka chong gejing im ha gejing cha ki badangshen ha kani gejala ha kasni rakhe ya ka International Day of the Girl Child arajar arpusan ha kapor bala penlong ya gejing ekren ki khana pulie ki lakali jingkali halor gejing shngan ha ki skul gejing baha ka bam jasngi kajing hikai banyada yaladi bat ki kam sport Myntri Rangbah ulakula riki hakabaya day bat kajing temu jong sorkar ban wanra ya ka roi kapar ha baro kiliang ha kani kasni la ai Burom ru ya ki la do ha kaliang ka puli puthi sport ki nong seng kam la jong bat ki we ha kajing kran jong Myntri Rangbah ula banjur halor gajing trailang ban Kyrshan ya ki Khun Kynthei ula kran ru halor gajing shngan jong ki khlung khana banyada na kajing pendan kam bakla ya udrok bat ka benta jong ki pait ba bante ya ka emlang sa lang ka bakam shngan.
What I'm hoping that we will be able to achieve by having this program today is to be able to ignite and to be able to start this entire process of seeing this kind of change that we require in society today, especially when it comes towards the thought and process towards our girl child. On the kind of different challenges, the different excitements, the different opportunities, and so many areas where we can work towards, I should say, unlocking the kind of opportunities that are there. If we can just simply support and provide the right guidance at the right time, be understanding, and work as a society to take this forward.
Myntri Burom